Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Reddit. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Reddit. Okay, so once you open Reddit, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the top right, and then you need to click on my profile, and then you need to click on edit, and here you can see the option of display name. Click on that option and change your name. So I'm going to change to How to Solutions. Okay, and then you need to click on save on the top right, and it will take few seconds to update. So now you can see that my username is changed on Reddit. So this is a process by which you can change your username on Reddit. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.